Hello and welcome. This is English Family and Friends 6, Grade 6, Unit 2. Will it really happen? Lesson 2, Grammar. Today we have got 3 objectives that we are tackling. The first one is to identify the use of will. The second one is to use will and want in asking and answering questions. The third objective is to write sentences using will and want. Now, let's read the following sentences together. People. Well, we use well for the affirmative sentences. People will travel by spaceships. They want. We use want for negative sentences. They won't wear normal clothes. I'll win the first place. Why do we use will? We use will to predict the future. Here is the short form of will. For the affirmative sentences, I will comes I'll, and for the negative, will not is won't. Let's continue reading the sentences. We will, we use will for the affirmative sentences. We will wear astronauts' clothes. They won't. We use want for negative sentences. They won't wear normal clothes. How do we use will and want in a sentence? We have got here the pronouns I, you, we, they, he, or names like Hassan, she, like Mariam, it, the cat. The pronouns plus will for the affirmative sentences and want for negative sentences, plus the base form of the verb here, plus the base form of the verb, plus, and at the end we don't forget to put a full stop. Read the following questions and answers. Will they come back to Bahrain? Question mark. For the affirmative answers, we use yes, they will, and for the negative answers, we use no, they won't. First of all, we add will plus the pronoun plus the verb plus the sentence completion, and at the end we put a question mark. Now, how do we answer questions using will? For the affirmative answers, we use yes, and for the negative answers, we use no, plus the pronoun, plus will for the affirmative answers, and want for the negative answers. And we don't forget to put a full stop at the end of the sentence. Here you have got a short text. You need to fill in the blanks. You either use will or want. You have got 2 minutes to do this exercise. Now, let's check your answers. Tomorrow, Faisal won't go to school because he's sick. He will stay at home and the doctor will see him. Faisal will have to rest in bed and drink a lot of water. He wants to play football in the afternoon as usual. Instead, he will read a book. Here you have got misordered words. You need to put these words in order so that you can get a meaningful sentence or a meaningful question. You have got 3 minutes to do this exercise. Now it's the time to check your answers. Number 1. Tom will walk to school with me. Number 2. We want to stay at home, the same hotel. 3. Will robots teach us in the future? 4. Yes, they will. 5. No, they won't. Here you have got affirmative sentences and you need to make them negative sentences. You have got 2 minutes to do this exercise.